A graph passes through 0, 0. The rate of change of y with respect to x is always a half. Draw the graph of y for values of x from 0 to 4. Graph passes through 1, 2. The rate of change of y with respect to x is 0. Draw the graph of for values of x from 0 to 4. Okay, that's the question. To save space, I'm going to do them on the same plot, the same picture. Passes through 0, 0. I'll use different colours each time. So for part A then, so let's have a look at part A. Through 0, 0, the rate of change of y with respect to x, the gradient is always a half. So at 1 it will be a half, at 2 it will be, at when x is 2 it will be 1. At 1 it will be a half, 2 it will be 1, 4 it will be 2, won't it? Because the gradient is a half. So there's the straight line. So let's try and draw that then. We need to draw it between 0 and 4, don't we? Which is what we've done. So that's that. So that's the green. And then we'll go to another colour for part B now. Oops. So part B. A graph passes through 1, 2 here. And the rate of change of y with respect to x is always 0. So the gradient is 0. Draw the graph of y from x equals 0 to 4. So it's a flat line, isn't it, here? So let's draw that then. So I'll try and draw as best I can. Here, 0 to 4. And that's the line there. So that's part A and part B in blue. Y equals 2x cubed plus ax, where a is a constant. The value of dy dx when x equals 2 is twice the value of dy dx when x equals minus 1. Work out the value of a. So let's have a look at dy dx then. So here, what does dy dx equal then? Use the power rule. The 3 comes down to be with the 2 to make 6, x to the 1 less, so that's squared. The x differentiates to 1, and there's a lots of 1. So at x equals 2 then, dy dx is equal to, put 2 in here, 2 squared is 4, 6 fours are 24, plus the a, and at x equals 1, let's work out that then. X equals minus 1 rather. Dy dx is equal to 2 times minus 1, 6 times minus 1 squared. Minus 1 squared is 1, 6 ones is 6, plus a. So the value here is twice the value here. So this value, 24 plus a, is equal to twice this value, 6 plus a. 2 6's are 12, just expanding the bracket, 2a's are 2a. So that tells us then. Move the 12 over to be minus 12, leave the 24 as is. And at the same time leave the 2a as is, and move the a over to minus a on the other side. So we've moved everything around. Read from right to left, a is equal to 24 take 12 is 12. So a equals 24 take 12 is 12, and I've written it down from right to left. A is 12. So we needed to find the value of a, which we've done.